Hi, I made a little video just on the bonus in case you were wondering, so here it is. Okay, so it said the 3 points on the circle are these 3 coordinates, and I made that graph right here. -18, -5, -7, -16, +4, -5. And so I'm picturing something like this where all 3 points are on my circle. Okay, and so I have a couple of theories, and really that's, how kind of this comes about. I noticed that this distance is 4 because I went over 4, and this distance is -18 because I went back 18, but distance isn't negative, so that's 18. So if I think about this from segment addition, the total distance here is 22, okay? So I'm hoping that that's actually my diameter, and I'm hoping that's 11, and that's 11, and that's 11. And I already kind of have a pretty good hunch that that's 11 and that's 11, and that's going to be good, okay? Make sense? So if my radius was 11, and my center was right here, and I got to figure out where my center is. So my hunch is that these 2 points are actually the edges of a diameter, these 2 points right here. And so I'm going to try to figure out the middle of this using our midpoint formula. All right, so I had -18 plus 4, cut that in half. That'll be our x, adding the 2 x values, and then adding the y values, -5 plus -5 divided by 2. So I get -18, so that'd be -14 divided by 2, and that'd be -10 divided by 2. So -7, -5. That's what I'm thinking is my center coordinate. I'm thinking, that's my hunch. -7, well, that's interesting. So maybe my picture's a little out of scale. It's saying -7, -5 is my center. So let's figure out the distance there. So maybe my picture, like I said, is a little out of balance because it's saying -7. Okay, let's see is -7 halfway between there. Let's average those two numbers together. -18 plus 4 divided by 2. Yep, -7 is halfway between there. Okay, so now I guess all we have to confirm is, and definitely 11 is the distance between -7 and 4, because you go up 7 and 4 more, that's 11. And there's 11 between these two numbers. Okay, so now let's figure this was at the elevation of -5 in the y, and this is at -16 in the y. So isn't this a distance of 11? Yes, it is. So I'm pretty sure our radius is 11, and our center was just the midpoint of those 2 points we said was -7, -5. So we've got everything we need to write the equation of our bonus. Let's do it. X plus 7, y plus 5. For bonus, we're going to write 11 squared or 121 there. Great job. Take care.